Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to see watch history on TikTok. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. And let's get started. So first we need to go to TikTok. After that we need to watch first video, and after that we need to go to our account here and click on this icon. After that click settings and privacy, and here you need to click activity center. Wait some time and here you can click watch history. And that's all. This is very easy way to see watch history in TikTok. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.